What's up everyone, Dr. Eric Jackson here. I wanted to record a quick demo video today, and today I think we're going to talk about this fantastic device, the Philips Sonicare AirFloss, and I love it. It's in the classification of an oral irrigator, right? Much like WaterPiks and other brands. This one happens to be my favorite at the moment though, because it has a great little trigger system. It doesn't just blast your mirror with lots of water. You can select 1, 2, or 3 bursts of water and air and place it as water floss, essentially, in between the teeth. Hit the button, go through each spot, go through the back side of the teeth. Each spot gets a puff. One puff takes 1 second. If you've got 32 teeth, it'll take 64 seconds. You can water floss or air floss your teeth in 1 minute. It works really, really well for all teeth, but especially underneath bridges, around dental implants, underneath bonded orthodontic retainers. If you want to know more, hit us up in the section below, and have a great day.